This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can switch between manual and pro modes on this device. So in the beginning, take your action pad and here swipe from the right part of your screen or from the right end of your screen to the left. Here you can switch between auto or manual modes. Manual stands for the pro mode here. Once in a manual mode, you can manually adjust the filter, the shutter speed, as well as ISO value, exposure, white balance, and video sharpness. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.